How to register on Fire Kirin without referral. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game on your device. On the home page, you will see two options: sign in with Facebook or sign in as guest. If you want to register without using any referral, tap on sign in as guest. After tapping sign in as guest, the app will create a temporary account for you to start playing immediately. This option allows you to enjoy the game without linking any social account or entering referral codes. You can always link your account to Facebook later to save your progress or play on other devices. Using the guest login is quick and convenient for those who want to start playing without any extra steps. Make sure to remember your guest account ID or link your account to avoid losing progress. Now you know how to register on Fire Kirin without referral. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.